Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with me. And today we are going to talk about a powerful tool on the Google Cloud platform called Document AI. Document AI is the tool in the Google which allows us to scan the document, get the data from the document and use it for our business purpose. So for a few seconds we shall discuss about what is a Document AI and what are all the benefits and features provided by the Document AI, and a couple of use cases. From that point onwards we shall see how this Document AI can be consumed from SAP for our regular business purpose. Okay, now as you see in the program, as you see in the diagram now, this is the overall benefit of the Document AI, which you can upload your document. This Document AI process will scan your document and give you the data back as you predefined in the process. Okay, what is the Document AI? Document AI is a cloud-based platform that uses a machine language to extract information from the document and transform them into a usable format. Okay, let us take one simple example. You are receiving a purchase order or you are receiving an invoice from your vendor. You have to pay them, right? Based on the invoice document, what you want to extract is from the invoice document, maybe it is in a PDF format. So you have to read what is the invoice number, what is the invoice date, what is the invoice amount, what is my due date, and what are the other terms and conditions. Basically these are all the information you would like to see that. So in our regular business process, there is a human or an employee is dedicated for this service. He will receive the document, he will process the invoice document he received, and he will do the actions accordingly. The same thing which we are going to do it automatically by the system. That when you receive a document, you upload it in a system. The system will take care of it. What are the information to be get out of this document and what to be processed. So this is what actually the Document AI is intended to do. Okay, so what is this diagram shows? You are uploading a document. So the system should know what type of document it is, whether it is a PDF document or an image document. Okay, then there is an internal model or a processor is defined inside the Document AI, which will know what is the document it is going to receive and how to read the document. So either you can call it as a model or you can call it as a processor, which generally parse the document. So this is what it does here. So once it parses the document, it will get the relevant data from the document as you defined or as you trained the processor, trained the model. Then you will receive the data from there. After that, you may validate that value and use it for your business process. This is what it says now. So if you see it as a feature, a Document AI has a variety of features that uses Document AI has a variety of features that can automate your document processing. Okay, so first it classifies the document, it scans the document, it parses the document, and and do the further business process. Okay. So what is the use cases? If you see as a finance department, they will receive an invoice. Okay. They will receive the bank statements. They can receive the receipts, etc. So there are documents involved in this. So this department will receive the document and get the information out of it and process it. So the finance department can use this document AI to process their documents. Take a logistic department, they can receive a PO from a vendor. If it is a healthcare department, then they can receive some medical reports. Based on the medical reports, get the value out of it and do the further actions like that. Okay. So this is the brief introduction of the document AI. So this video is intended to mainly focus on how I am going to use it in the SAP to consume this document AI API and use it in my further processings. Okay. This is the overall steps what we are going to see it in our video. In ABAP SDK, in ABAP layer, I have a SDK environment which is specifically for Google Cloud. That will call this document AI API class by attaching the document. Then it will go to the Google console where I already defined some processor. This processor is already trained to read a document. Okay. Then it will go to the Google Document AI API. So this API will understand what is the document it received and what is the processor it received, so that based on that it will read the document and give it back your defined values. So this is the steps for consuming the document AI from SAP. This we will see it in detail in the further sessions. Okay. So finally, before going in detail, I will give a brief the prerequisites what you would have. First of all, you should know what kind of document you are going to process. Maybe a PDF document or JPEG document or image document, any one. We will take a PDF document as a example case. Then second thing is that ABAP SDK should be installed in your ABAP system. The third one is you should have a GCP console, login console, privileges, and privileges to use this document AI API. So these three things you should have. After that, what we will do is we will log into GCP console and create my own processor, as I explained in this thing. This one I am going to define in my Google console. So that processor, what I will do, I will define it, I will build it. Build means what are the data fields I am going to extract from the document. You can call it as a schema. What kind of schema you are going to extract from the document. Okay. Then the other one is then you will do the training. That means you practice that processor by feeding lot of document to it and deploy it. So these 3 and 4 steps I will explain you in Google console. Later I will log on to SAP. I will create a program. In that program I will call this API, Google API, using this processor which I created in the step 4. Finally I will receive the extracted data. Okay. Just I will show one sample document. This is the sample document. I am going to use it for our demo purpose. So this is an invoice I received. So the data which I am going to read from this invoice are invoice number, order number, invoice date, due date and due amount. Okay. This information, so take this as an example. This is a PDF document. In the PDF document, this is a schema of data I am going to read from the document. Okay. Where is that? This is the invoice document. This is a schema of data I am going to read from the document. And I'll create a processor to read that document or similar kind of same kind of documents and get the data and keep it ready. The fifth step is using the ABAP program. I will call the API, connecting this processor to that API and attach my document, a PDF document to it. Then I will receive the data back this way. So ABAP code I will write in the class ABAP class. I will attach my PDF document. I will say whatever the processor I am going to create. I will have an ID of it. That ID I will refer it in this class. Then I will send a request. So the request will go to Document AI API. Then it will read the document, whatever the document I attached, whether it be a PDF document or JPEG document, and return me back the value back. Okay. Okay, this is what I am intend to say that now. We shall see now one by one. This one. First we'll log on to GCP console. I will create the processor and explain you how to create a processor. Then finally the ABAP SDK portion. Okay. Thank you. We will see it in the next session now quickly.